Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PostHog events to Power Product Analytics Cohorts step by step clearly. Start by logging into your PostHog account. Navigate to the Events section in the main dashboard. Review the existing events that are currently being tracked. Identify the specific events you want to update for your product analytics cohorts. Click on the event you wish to modify. Look for the option to edit the event properties. Make necessary adjustments to the event name or properties as needed. Ensure that the changes align with your desired analytics goals. After making updates, save your changes. Now, head to the Cohorts section in the dashboard. Create a new cohort by selecting the option to add a new cohort. Define the criteria for your cohort based on the updated events. Use filters to refine the cohort based on specific user behavior. Double-check that the correct events are included in the criteria. Once satisfied with the settings, save your cohort. Next, navigate to the Dashboard section. Add the new cohort to your dashboard for easy access. Monitor how the updated events impact your cohort analytics. Regularly review and adjust your events as your product evolves. This process can significantly enhance your product analytics strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.